let's open some Pokemon cards. Let's go with this guy. Picked this up recently. It's pretty dented, but should have some cards in it, so that's all that matters. Let's go see what the coin is. Bam. We got Surfetched. And the 3 packs are, we got Lost Origin. We got, and 2 Silver Tempest. Okay, cool. I actually didn't think there was Sword and Shield in here, but let's start with Silver Tempest. Alright. We got Dark, Braxton, Lopunny, Serena, Vulpix, Snowrunt, Fletchling, Ferroseed, Smeargle, a reverse hollow petal, and Lugia V-Star. Look at that. Okay, I like that. That's real good. Boop. Now let's Lost Origin though. Okay, we got Water, Haunter, Poliwhirl, Licklicky, Finian, Spinarak, Paris, Inky, Hishuan Basculin, a reverse hollow Electrite, and Hishuan Gudra V-Star. Okay, we could do some V-Star cards. I'm good with that. Last. Oh, look at that. Okay. Unidentified Fossil, V-Guard Energy, Torracat, Misdreavus, Wailmer, Murkrow, Emolga, Meditite, reverse hollow Radiant Alakazam. I really like that. Okay, and Full Art Skulltank V. Oh, Skulltank V. This, okay. All right, we did pretty good, I think. Well, you tell me.